and F major, D and G. Again, repeat somewhere in her smile. G major 7, G to G major 7 to G7. And I don't need no other lover, to C major, and then back to A major. Something in her style that shows me to D. E minor. Don't wanna leave her now. To E minor 7. Yeah, to A major. I believe in how. To C major, and then then it goes to E major. Little key change here. You're asking me, will my love grow? E sixth. Got that C sharp in there. I don't know. That resolves right to the A major chord. I to D major, don't know. Back to E. Stick around now, it may show. I don't know. I D to A major, don't know. Back to G. Back to the first key. And the little bass walk down there. And I don't know. Something in the way she knows. Same riff. No, to G7, G major 7 to G7. I have to do is to see, think of her. And then to A7. Something in the way she shows me to D major. I don't want to leave her now. Hit the D. E minor 7. I believe.